Tina Marie with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be a candle haul. So this won't be Bath and Body Works. Nope. So let's get started. I want to talk about a new candle company, y'all. This is Shari Co. This is the card that came with it. It says candle care card. It tells you how to take care of your candles, basically. It says trim your wicks, burn on a heat resistant surface, 4 hours max burn is recommended. Enjoy. So this was sent over to me to show you guys. So I wanted to show you the candles that they offer. Everything is nicely wrapped, and they sent over a thank you for supporting, and they sent over these. Look at these. These are in baby powder scent. Yo, oh my goodness, I gotta sniff. You notice that baby powder? I'm like, ooh, I gotta know. Let me open this up. I hate having nails, but I love nails at the same time. It is a love-hate relationship. Oh my goodness, these incense smell just like baby powder. Oh my God. Yes, these incense smell just like baby powder. Order from them just to get the incense. This baby powder smell is legit. I like it. All right, let's get into the candles. This is the first candle. These are 2 wicks, so it's only 2 wicks in them. This one is in cashmere and vanilla. I love cashmere and vanilla. Oh, this reminds me of a Bath and Body Works, the Cashmere Glow. Yes. I'm gonna have to burn this one in my room. This is a nice candle for your room. Nice sexy time candle. Yeah, it's giving me sexy time vibes. Okay, I was gonna put it over there, but let me put it back in the box. This is the second one. Which one is this? This is in Muse. Looks just like that. Oh, Muse. What? I wish the notes was in here. I'm trying to see. Does it say? It don't got the notes, y'all. This smell like a sexy man. God, he just came out the shower too. You know when your man just get out the shower and they smell like that body wash? This is a sexy man out of the shower scent. Like, hey boo, you gonna make it to the bed or no? Yes, I like this. This is a nice, sexy man. Okay, it says it on the front. Okay, that's where it says it. This is dark musk and cardamom. My imagination is well, okay? I have a good imagination. Let's just say that. That's a good scent, y'all. I'm gonna leave it at that. Now let's get to the last one. This is Element, okay? I like dark skin, the melanin. Every time I hear Element, that's all I think of is Pop Smoke. Element is amber and noir. I like it. It's a deep scent. It's not doing too much. I have a feeling it's gonna burn light though. Just by putting my nose up to it, and it looks just like that, so you guys know. I love the color of the jars. It's really pretty, goes with any room. I really think so. I just think this one is really light. But I'll let y'all guys know more about them when I burn them. But out of all three, Muse is my favorite. Oh, wait. Ladies. Muse. Yeah, that's a winner right there. That's a winner. That's it. That's what you need. You need to get Muse. That one smells really, really good. And ooh, these incense and baby powder. Because I love baby powder. Like, I love the smell of baby powder. I love it. So I'm trying to open it back up. I'm like a crackhead needing a fix. Oh, give me the baby powder. All the powder. Oh, yes. This smells good. I gotta like this in Justin room. That's where I need to like that. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. That's all the candles that I got. Hey, and cool, she gave me a 10% coupon too. It says use this coupon, 10% off your next purchase. And if you tag them on Twitter, you get an extra 5% off. And their Twitter is at the INCENSEPLUG. Okay, the incense plug. Okay, so definitely you need to check them out. All the information for them will be below. Y'all, How you doing? I'm excited to try out these new candles. But again, you know, candles is subjective to a person. These are soy blend candles, just so you guys know. But I think it's good to always branch out from Bath and Body Works because we're always Bath and Body Works, Bath and Body Works. It's more companies out there. They're not the only one. They're not the end all be all. There's some companies out there that's better, but we love Bath and Body Works just because it's easy access. We know what we're getting. We're used to them. We're comfortable. They're a big brand, okay? And you feel more comfortable with big brands. I know I do. So yeah, definitely check them out. Just break away a little bit. Tell Bath and Body they can get a break. They get a lot of coin from us. We could try other people. So check them out. All information is below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.